I'm Brandon Richardson, project manager for ESP. I was born in Paducah, Kentucky, and then my dad moved us down to Louisiana when I was about 5, moved to Mississippi when I was about 9, and been in Mississippi ever since. Younger years, I've done construction and stuff, and then I drove trucks and moved equipment and run equipment around the house, and then got into the oil field. Spent 13 years in the oil field, and we done high angle rescue, confined space rescue, and we dealt with poisonous gases out there, so I was on the rescue team. And then we got laid off in the oil field in 2020, and then 2021 I got a phone call to go do a freeze in Dallas, Texas, and that's where I met Chris Williamson at, and I've been here ever since. He's been real good. He's been a good mentor to me and everything, and I've come a long way since I met Chris. He's given me some good guidance and good direction. What I do with ESP is get to the job. We have a safety meeting and everything first thing in the morning, and then we get with the client and go through meetings there, and we got our field guys that make everything happen. We've got a good team. I don't have a problem working with any of the team members. Everybody we've had so far, I don't have any problem working with them. Everybody works good and takes good directions and good communication. That's the main thing. Certifications that we hold and everything, we do have our OSHA 30. We've got TWIC cards and IICRC classes that go through about drying out buildings and things like that, keep us up to date on new equipment coming out and how to run our equipment properly. It drives me to work so hard, nothing's given to you. If you want anything, you have to work for it. I don't want my family to want or need anything. I want to make sure that we've got what we need. My hobbies and passion outside of ESP is spending all my time with my wife when I'm not working. I really do enjoy sitting on my front porch at a slow pace with my wife and watching grandbabies play in the yard. I like to ride my motorcycle. Me and my wife, we do quite a bit of riding, and we do a lot of hunting and a lot of fishing. Most rewarding part of my job is seeing what we do when we first get there, and what we do for people to get their lives back to normal, actually come to life and help people out.